Hi everybody, today I will show you how to change font in Google Sheets. Let's begin. So first, select the cell that you want to change the font for. You can select multiple cells or you can hit Ctrl plus A to select the whole sheet. Now, once your cells are selected, look up in the toolbar for this option. That will be at the right of the More Formats option. So the current font name will be displayed right here. Currently it's set at default, that is Arial. Simply click on that and a drop-down list of all available fonts will appear. Just scroll through and click on whichever one you want and it applies instantly. For example, I will choose this one and that will instantly apply to my sheet. You can click on this again and select another font if you want. So it's pretty simple. And if you want to make it bold, italic or strike through, you can simply choose bold, italic or a strike through option. Also, if you want to change the color, you can select text color and change the font's color instantly. So that's how you change the font in Google Sheets. If you found this helpful, subscribe to the channel and leave a like.